Voice notification enabled. Greetings. Initializing ADMT pre-processing operations. Intercepting provided inputs. Interpretation completed. 2 grids will be processed and 100% of search grid will be analyzed for output. Bombarding a single grid with multiple defined patterns. Please be advised 1 progression cycles will be run before the final output is delivered. No input found to establish primary search grid. Please select a header as primary search grid. Intercepting required headers. Headers interception completed for cycle 1. Flooding arrays with inputs. Search in array optimized. Required patterns uploaded to search what array. Commencing core result processing. Commencing refinement process for cycle 1. Sequence completed. Proceeding ahead. Initializing output handler sequence. Output handler sequence completed for progression cycle 1. Performing final steps to conclude sequence 1. Uploading progression cycle 1 statistics to screen 2. Data mining algorithm is completed. Going offline now. Good night.